Ladies and gentlemen, we will now have a special performance for all of you by Miss Abhishruti Bejborua, a very popular Assamese singer. I would now like to hand over the stage to the gorgeous, most beautiful, but at the same time, when we listen to her melodious voice, we will definitely be transported to a different world altogether. So I would hand over the stage to Abhishruti. Put your hands together for Abhishruti Bejborua.
Krishna Hari Bandhavai Ramo Bandhavai Ram Bandhavai Rame Ram.
তুহু দীন তারণ দুস্ত দমন ভগত সীত রঞ্জন দীন তারণ দুস্ত দমন ভগত সীত রঞ্জন তুহু দীন তারণ দুস্ত দমন ভগত সীত রঞ্জন তাপহারি বন বিহারি তাপহারি বন বিহারি বিপদ ভয় ভঞ্জন দীন তারণ দুস্ত দমন ভগত সীত রঞ্জন
গোবিন্দাই জপ মনোভাই জপ রাম রাম জপ ইয়াৰি প্ৰথমে প্ৰণাম ব্ৰহ্মা ৰূপী সনাতন সৰ্ব অৱতাৰৰ কাৰণ নাৰায়ণ জপ
A very good evening, everyone. Namaskar, namaskar. First of all, it is an absolute honor and a privilege to be amidst you here at the prestigious R.G. Borua Memorial Awards 2024. I would like to sincerely thank the Assam Tribune, Biblianti, Divija, and everybody on the organizing committee for thinking about us, allowing us to be a part of the dialogue through my musical works. I am a folk fusion artist, and what I have been trying to do so far is mix local ethnic instruments with sounds of the nature. And that is what my sound is, that is what my music is. I would like to take this opportunity to also introduce you my fellow artists today. As you can see, Priyanka is an interpreter, and we've been doing this initiative, which is called Music in Sign Language for the hearing impaired community. It has been a process for the past 2 years, and we've performed full-length 2.5-hour shows during Bihu and public events, and the entire format has been interpreted in sign language, trying to make my music inclusive. Thank you very much. I would like to now call upon Snigdha. Snigdha is a student of the Northeast College of the Hearing Impaired. Snigdha is অসমীয়াত ক'লে জন্মগতভাৱে বধিৰ. So for her, if you wish to clap for her, you have to do this. That's how she understands. So ladies and gentlemen, presenting my debut song, Esati Bota, for you. খাবতি নানানে রাগতে দেরে না তানা এসাতি বতা গানো তেলুয়াহি আনি তিলা বুকুতে দুটি হৰতৰে তৰ আঁকি দিলা সেই তৰাই মতে নাহাৰে খালে জনকো খাবতি নানানে ৰাগতে দেৰে না তানা Thank you so much. The next composition is actually very special because today is also Karam Puja. And then last year we had done this song Jhumur for the T tribe community. And I think today is a very apt day for me to perform this song. So, ladies and gentlemen, can I please have Priyanka back on stage? These are excerpts from the Tea Gardens of Assam, collected from the grandmothers of Funapur. I hope you enjoy this. আসাম দেশে নানির ঘর পানি গিরে গো ঝড় শুকনা পুয়ালের ঘর পানি গিরে গো ঝড় মোধায় ফোটা দেখল তারা দিল ধড়কে মোর দিল আসাম দেশে নানির গাছের ডালে ডালে সোনা ফুলেলা এসন সোনার হার তোকে কেসন সাজাইলা চাহা গাছের ডালে ডালে সোনা ফুলেলা এসন সোনার হার তোকে কেসন সাজাইলা আরে বিদেশি সাম কি দুসে নানিকে তুই ফাঁকি দিলি হায় রে বিদেশি তুসে নানিকে তুই ফাঁকি আসাম দেশে নানির ঘর পানি গিরে গো ঝড় Karam Puja here. Baro maser baro puja, bhador maser Karam Puja. Are baro maser baro puja, bhador maser Karam Puja. Are Karam Puja bada sundor. এই নাচিব গাইব খেলিব ঝুমু হাতে নতুন কিনো চুড়ি দেহাই মেগো লাল শাড়ি আরে লাল শাড়ি পিন্ধিবি যখন আমরা নাচিব গাইব খেলিব ঝুমু এই নাচিব গাইব খেলিব ঝুমু এই নাচিব গাইব খেলিব ঝুমু নাচিব গাইব খেলিব ঝুমুৰ এই নাচিব গাইব খেলিব ঝুমুৰ জানা নাৰী নাৰী গো জানা নাৰী না জানা নাৰী নাৰী গো জানা নাৰী না এই নাচিব গাইব খেলিব ঝুমুৰ এই নাচিব গাইব খেলিব ঝুমুৰ এই নাচিব গাইব খেলিব ঝুমুৰ Thank you so much. Bihu is something that we have been experimenting for the past few years. And in 2018 is when we went to the Deori Gaos in Jorhat. And then we picked up Laloi Bihu and made this composition with the sounds of the dheki and the keteki sarai mat. I hope you enjoy this track. Tuk Dekhi Murga for you. I hope you all will dance with me a little, Divija. I think maybe we should start. Alop hat sapuri pale ko parba. Lalo eto dekhi murga. Har har pipir papar kikir kakar kore. Lalo eto dekhi murga. Har pipir papar kore. देखो गुमाले कंपानी जहाजे देखित गुमाले तुरा ओई मनरे ভিতর ইহর গুমনি তোকে দেখিবরে পড়া ও লালো এ তো দেখি মুরগা হে হর হর পিপির পাপার কিকির কাকার করে লালো এ তো দেখি মুরগা হে Everybody, let's have some claps. It's you. Lovely. Thank you. Jacke jacke pati pake pake mari khoti 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 aha khomoni amaru koi bohagor bihu bhuti sarai boari boate kore bihu 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 pale bohagor bohagor rogani bihu to dekhi murga har har pipir papar kikir kakar kore laloi to dekhi murga he ha ha pipir papar kore ghenta 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 rakata ghenta ghenta sapori sapori dhana daya sila khara sokuliya muthi oi benga meli meli tomar khai muthiya thapore upori uthi sapori sapori dhane daya sila khara sokuliya muthi oi benga meli meli tomar khai muthiya thapore upori ola loi to dekhi Sikoni sikoni pakhila pa iranai saulai nukuchi bha Sikoni sikoni pakhila pa iranai saulai nukuchi bha erosa kisir ki nukure haru dhanu ne banu saule karu tui ma kora jalot dekhi tu eru taka ora jalot dekhi tu eru oi ma kora jalot dekhi giddy, 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 cast down. Oh, cast down, giddy, giddy, cast down. Trigger, धूल भर सेना के हाथा रोया रो. ना सुनी ना सिले रोया रो. ए जावे को. ए कीले मोले पानी खमोलो. ए तो देखी मुर्गा के हार पे हार और बाहर के हार के नाम करे जनोई तो देखी मुर्गा हार पे बाहर और बाहर के हार रिंग रिंग रंग रंग करे जनोई तो देखी मुर्गा हार करे. Thank you very much. Do we have time? Snigdha. I'm sure you all have heard this song. And this is one song that has given me so much love and appreciation. So thank you so much for that. Snigdha will be joining me again to interpret Roi Roti for you all. Ohio, ye beli dhuniya, oi hi beli dhuniya, oi bihudhe meliya beli, oi koli jar mate re, oi mati sukhaba ke oi bihu gawata mili. Alop hat sa pori pale bhal pam. Gole raput me lage moina mateli gole me lage bha oi bihuti gole ki koinu thaki moi juriya ah tore sa ro 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 roti moina moina moti tomal upar koron khodai jabo paru moi ro 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 roti o moina moina moti o dia Eri gole me lage moina mat beli gole me lage bha.
নৈ পারে পারে ঘুরি থাকুন আই করে বাপ করে বলে দুই জন কাতে কালা গিব সিরিং কবলব ফিরিং কবল দিব হরিহ দিব ভূতনি ওই ভূতনি ভূতনিতে জুড়ুনি নাই 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 কোনো আমনি ভূতনিতে জুড়ুনি বিহুকে ধরিবা বিহুকে নেবা বিহুতি অসমৰ গান শুনিছো বিহুতি অসমৰ মান শুনিছো বিহুতি 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 ওই বিহুতি অসমৰ ধান।
Thank you so much. Thank you once again, the Assam Tribune, for having us here. And off to you, Divija. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Abhishruti. That was amazing, and I hope we get to hear you more. May I request Bidisha Singha, Senior Sub-Editor, the Assam Tribune, to kindly come forward and felicitate Ms. Abhishruti Bezbarua. We would like to acknowledge the support of our sponsors and partners towards the Assam Tribune Dialogue and R.G. Barua Memorial Awards 2024. I request Divija Rajkot to kindly come on stage, please, to do the honors. Thank you very much. And here is Ms. Divija Rajkot to do the honors of felicitating Mr. Saurav Chaliha. Thank you, sir. I would like to invite Mr. Arun Jyoti Barua from Oil India to kindly come on stage, please. This event would not have been possible without your support, your help. Thank you very much. May I request Mr. Orup Saikia from NIPCO to kindly come on stage. He is the General Manager, Regional Affairs of NIPCO. Orup Saikia, sir. Thank you very much. A big round of applause because he's one of the sponsors. NIPCO is one of our sponsors, and we'd like to thank you heartily. Thank you very much, Mr. Orup Khoikia. We would have loved to thank NETFI also. We thank them, of course. We heartily thank NETFI, but we don't have a representative from NETFI here tonight. But we'd like to heartily thank you, NETFI, for helping us in this beautiful journey that we had today. We'd also like to thank ONGC, but we don't have anyone from ONGC as well, but we'd like to thank you heartily for being one of our sponsors. I would now like to invite Mr. Avinav Parikh and Mrs. Minakshi Parikh from Bharatiya Jalpan to kindly come on stage, please. We'd like to thank you. And a huge round of applause for Mr. Avinav Parikh and Mrs. Minakshi Parikh. Our deep gratitude to you. Please come on stage, sir. Please come on stage. Our deep gratitude to you for supporting us, for being with us. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'd like to thank Divija for felicitating. I would like to request Mr. P.J. Barua, Executive Editor of the Assam Tribune, to kindly come forward for doing the honors of felicitating our sponsors. Sir. We'd like to thank State Bank of India for supporting us today, for being one of the sponsors. We don't have a representative from State Bank of India, but we'd like to heartily thank you. From Star Cement as well, thank you very much. Our deepest gratitude to you for supporting us. From BCPL, we'd like to thank you for supporting us today. Also from NRL, we don't have words enough to say that we thank you so much. And now from Purobi, we'd like to request Mr. S.K. Parida, who's the MD of WAMUL, and Mr. S.B. Bose, who's the MD of any dairy and Food Limited. May I request you to kindly come forward? Mr. S.K. Parida and Mr. S.B. Bose. We'd like to heartily thank you. I'd like to request Mr. P.J. Barua to present them a token of our appreciation. Thank you very much for your support. This entire event wouldn't have been possible without your support. I would now like to invite Mr. Madhurya Sinha Lohkar from NTPC Bongaigaon to kindly come on stage, please. Thank you, sir. And I'd like to thank Mr. P.J. Barua for doing the honors of felicitating the sponsors. May I now request Mr. Hitesh Deka. May I request Mr. Dilip Chandan, editor of Ochom Bani, to kindly come on stage to felicitate our esteemed sponsors. I would now like to invite Mr. Dipankar Dutta from CEC to kindly come on stage, and a huge round of applause for Mr. Dipankar Dutta. Thank you very much, sir, for supporting us in our event today. Thank you very much. Please accept a token of our appreciation. Thank you, sir, for your constant support. I would now like to invite Dr. Hitesh Barua from Nemcare Hospital on stage, please. We'd like to thank any HHDC, and if Dr. Sriporna Barua Baido is here with us, then we'd like to invite her on stage. Though I can't see her, maybe she has left. But we'd like to heartily thank any HHDC for supporting us in our event. We also would like to thank Radio Gupshup. And now I'd like to request Mr. Anup Khanna from Priya Communications to kindly come on stage. Here is Mr. Anup Khanna from Priya Communications. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your support. I would like to request Kaushik Gogoi from Radio Gupshup to kindly come on stage. Thank you very much for your support. Deep gratitude. Please accept a token of our gratitude and a token of our appreciation from Mr. Dilip Chandan. And finally, I would like to invite Mr. Pradeep Rajkwa and Maniraj Barua from Renault Guwahati to kindly come forward. And the applauses should keep coming. Thank you so much for being a big support for us for this particular event. It is our honor that you have that Renault Guwahati has supported us. Thank you very much. Deep gratitude to both of you present here. Mr. Pradeep Rajkwa and Mr. Maniraj Barua, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I'd like to request Mr. Dilip Chandan to kindly remain on stage, and I'd like to request Mr. P.K. Basumatari and Mr. Saurav Chaliha to kindly come on stage. Thank you so much. May I now invite on stage Ms. Divija Rajkwa, Director, Assam Tribune Digital, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What an inspiring evening we've had. It is my great honor to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the Assam Tribune Group. We are deeply grateful to everyone who made this event, the R.G. Barua Memorial Awards 2024, a memorable celebration of excellence. first and foremost, I want to extend our deepest gratitude to His Excellency Shri Lakshman Prasad Acharya, Governor of Assam, for his inspiring words and his continued support. A heartfelt thanks to our special guest of honor, Shri R.S. Mushahari, former Governor of Meghalaya. Your presence and insights have enriched this evening. I extend our deepest gratitude to our distinguished guest of honor, Dr. Ravi Kota, IAS Chief Secretary of the Government of Assam, for gracing us with your presence today. His words have left us inspired, and we were truly honored to have him in our presence. A special thanks goes to our esteemed awardees, Shri Karma Paljor, the SRD Group, Shri Abhijit Bhattacharya, and Badungdupa Kalakendra. Your contributions to journalism, business, sports, and cultural development have not only inspired us, but have also set a benchmark of excellence for generations to come. Congratulations once again. None of this would have been possible without the support of our generous sponsors. We're immensely thankful to our gold sponsor, Indian Oil, our silver sponsors, Oil India and NIPCO, our associate sponsors, Netfee and ONGC. Additionally, thank you to our event associates, Bharatiya Jalpan, State Bank of India, and Star Cement. Your backing has been pivotal in the success of this event. A special mention goes to Vivanta Baitaj for your outstanding hospitality, and to all our other partners, BCPL, Numaligarh Refinery, Purobi, NTPC Bongaigaon, CEC Computer Education, Nemcare Hospital, Canara Bank, Northeastern Handicrafts and Handloom Development Corporation Limited, Radio Gupshup, Priya Communications, and Renault Guwahati. Your unwavering support has made this evening truly special. We also thank Abhishruti Besborua for enthralling us with her spectacular performance. A heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you present here today, our esteemed guests, colleagues, and friends from the media. Your presence here tonight has made this event all the more meaningful. It is because of your continued support, encouragement, and engagement that we strive to raise the bar higher every year. I'd also like to thank Mrs. Babita Rajkhwa, Director of the Assam Tribune Group, for her leadership and vision in making this event possible, and our incredible host, Tinat Atifa Masood, for guiding us through this evening with such warmth and grace. A special thanks to Mrs. Nandini Kalita for her guidance and support in bringing this event together. And finally, to our amazing organizing team, your hard work behind the scenes has ensured the smooth execution of this event. Thank you for your dedication and meticulous planning. As we conclude this evening, let us carry forward the spirit of Singha Purush Radha Gobindo Borua, one of dedication, vision, and commitment to excellence. Thank you once again, and I wish you all a wonderful evening ahead. Good night.